the signal changed, and I proceeded, you know, probably going between 10 and 15 miles an hour. And then all of a sudden, we got, hit by the motorcycle.
Being hit by a motorcycle is an avoidable collision, which is one of the main reasons why the Saturation Traffic Enforcement Program was created.
A white car. 45.
One of the major issues is speed. In this case, the driver in Daly City was doing 55 in a posted 30 zone.
You know how fast you were going?
I was going 47, I think.
47? I got you on 55 on light R. Okay.
I've been teamed up with Officer Moreno of the Town of Colma Police Department as part of the 27 traffic officer, multiple Bay Area city and town crackdown in San Mateo County.
Where agencies in San Mateo County get together and focus on areas that have a lot of traffic safety and focus on those areas.
Their function is to reduce the number of crash-related fatalities, often due to speed and inattentiveness, like U-turns in a business district, which in California is illegal.
You can't make a U-turn in a business district.
However, during some of these traffic stops, he sometimes comes across a driver with an internet degree from...
Why does it say from here?
That's on Wikipedia. Is that Wikipedia? Or what are you looking at?
In California, yeah, what Wikipedia?
A word of advice. If you're going to quote vehicle codes, let's not use Wikipedia.
Need you sign here? You're not admitting guilt.
And then there was this driver who made a U-turn, but argued the semantics of what a U-turn was.
So you're making a U-turn.
Making a left turn into a parking space.
Okay. It's a left turn that's a U-turn, right? You can't make a U-turn in a business district, and that's what you're doing. You're pulling in, making a U-turn into this parking space, okay? Do you have the registration insurance? Come on.
I disagree, but...
Okay.
Sure.
And then I had a chat with him.
Hey,
So you kind of disagree with that, huh?
I do.
Why?
Pulling into a space and I made a left turn, and he says I made a U-turn in a business district.
Yes.
And I just made a left turn into this parking space, so I just disagree. I didn't make a U-turn to go the other way. That's what you usually make a U-turn for.
And then I sprung this on him. Technically, which way is your vehicle facing?
I guess slightly towards this way. I guess.
That would mean get a U-turn.
Uh-huh. Yeah, like I said, I think it's. I've never heard of that, and so.
So just pay attention to the posted signs. All right.
Yeah,
The next time you see Officer Moreno, he may not be behind the wheel of a cruiser, because he has higher aspirations.
Well, the next plan is to become a motor officer. We're going to the Motor Academy coming up, and we'll see from there.
Wait, you have to go to an academy and learn how to do motor stuff?
Yeah.
You can't just get on a bike and write a bunch of tickets? You have to train for that stuff?
I wish it was that easy, but it's not. It's going to be 2 weeks of a challenging academy.
Riding with the Colma Police Department, Stanley Roberts for Caught Misbehaving.